How do you stand out in a sea of content? At Decanter, we've put together 10 tips to get your videos viewed. Use quality equipment to look and sound professional. Know your audience and create videos that they can relate to. Keep your videos short and to the point. Use storytelling to add depth and emotion to your content. The only way your target market will care about your content is if they see it. Encourage comments, questions, and feedback to foster a sense of community. Get more bang for your buck. Cut down longer videos for social media. Be the expert. Share content that empowers viewers so they make informed financial decisions. Use keywords to improve your ranking in search results. Regular posting builds trust and credibility. Don't forget to measure the success of your video marketing efforts. Have a favorite tip to share? Add it in the comments.